Hello friends, myself Poorna, Dr. Gitesh Kalyankar, or we are going to talk about a symphony of approaches in homeopathy, and that's about different approaches, how the old and new merge together, how you can use everything together. And in the whole symphony, I'll be playing a small part, which will be around how the mind and the body connect, how the pathology and the mind speak the same language. It could be around how the symptom or the disease affects the person. It could be around what is the function of the body part that is affected. And there are various different questions which can tell us what is the exact connection between the mind and the body. So join us on 27th, 28th, 29th of September, that is the coming Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, for the symphony of approaches in homeopathy. Thank you.